Thikoni ya 17 mweri-inĩ wa ina mwaka wa 2024 na gĩtĩo kĩnene njĩtĩkĩria ngoro ngĩkwamũkĩra gũkũ kwa Muthingi TV gĩkũnjĩrĩ-inĩ gitũ kĩa mohoro mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ nĩ ndagĩũka nĩguo ngũmenyithia ũrĩa bũrũri wa gĩtinda ũkĩgariũra ngũrehere riboti kuma county itiganĩte gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ wa Kenya nginya riboti kuma nja wa itoka cia bũrũri tũkĩrũke gũkinya riboti cia mathako nĩ maingĩ marĩa andĩki aitũ a mohoro makĩrokire gũkorwo magĩtũmathĩra no mbere ndaya tambe twamũkĩre matemo ma mohoro. Mamwe ma marĩa tũkũharĩrĩire nĩ atĩ mutumia wa ũkũrũ wa mĩaka 62 gũkuo nĩ mĩiyũro ya maĩ agĩkĩra rũĩ rwa Gakungo Thiba County ya Kirinyaga. Naguo mũngano wa arimũ wa thukuru cia mũthingi kuma ithũĩro rĩa bũrũri kwenda thirikari kwandĩka arimũ angĩ kũihũria ithenya rĩrĩa rĩrĩho. Na makĩria ma aikari 5,000 kuma Gotagula Bondo gũikara nduma-inĩ thutha wa waya cia thitima gũthũkangio nĩ mbura. Aya na tugaikara tugĩkũririkanagia atĩ mohoro ma maitũ tũramamemerekia ĩmwe kwa ĩmwe nenda-inĩ citũ ciothe cia ũkinyanĩria wa thĩ kũrĩa mwena wa Facebook ni @Muthingi TV waikoroka kũrĩa mwena wa YouTube ni @Muthingi TV na nĩ hingo ciothe ngĩikarĩra gĩtĩ gĩkĩ kĩa ũmemerekia njĩtĩkaga wa Irimũ wa Kĩmani. Haya na tũkĩambĩrĩria nĩ atĩ mũtumia ũmwe wa mĩaka 62 nĩ arĩkĩtie gũkorwo agĩthererio nĩ maĩ kũrĩa gĩcigo-inĩ kĩa ũmbunge kĩa Mwea gũkũ nĩ kaunti ya Kirinyaga thutha wa mĩiyũro ya maĩ ĩrĩa ĩkĩihũrĩte kũu thutha wa mbura nene ĩrĩa ĩraire ĩkiura. Kũringana na mwana wake Lewis Kimaji augĩte atĩ mũtumia ũyũ arakoragwo akĩgeria gũkorwo agĩkĩra rũĩ rwa Gakungo ũtukũ wa ira mũnene wa aikari a gũkũ maugĩte atĩ nĩ mũtino ũrĩa ũkĩonekete kũhanĩka ũkĩmakĩtie aikari na njĩra nene kuona atĩ rũĩ rũrũ nĩ rũrathiĩ na mbere gũkorwo rũgĩthereria andũ aingĩ rĩrĩa mbura ĩno ĩragĩthiĩ gũkorwo na mbere kiura ituri itiganĩte cia bũrũri.
Mama alikuwa anatoka soko ya alikuwa ametoka town ya Gurubani Mwea akikuja kijiji inaitwa Gakungo na akufukia kwa main bridge ya Thiba sababu nayo imejaa imefurika na maji haiwezi amesunguka kupitia main, lakini sababu ya mvua mingi iliyonyesha jana jioni akapata hiyo mto ya Gakungo imefurika na kwa msukumo wa maji kwa uzito wa maji akaanguka kwa mto.
Ndo makimwona ngalo marali gwatiri mekumuteithia tatondu mrecira ne kumira bau mbere tondu kwena andu ingi na mundu arebikaga ni gwinuke gwake jo murithia ndo matina menya kana kuria arathira no family yake ni yakoni family kuringara aringaga na nikiara atwarirwo mutumia uyu rĩrĩa thigwa ararutaga wĩra mbia thara kuria tauni arathiaga kiroko agacoka bwai
urite tuthuranite miaka yothe na thina uria twinaguo munene muno tutina ndaraca njega andu ni makuite ni tuthikanite na riri nĩrĩo rita ritũ rĩa mũico na tũrĩte rĩa mũico atĩ tũtikũthikana rĩngĩ twĩna ũtongoria kuona mbeca itheanagwo no barabara na ndaraca tũtirĩ. Atongoria Kirinyaga tũramũhoya na gĩtĩo kĩnene mũno mũiguire aikari ma Gakungo na Kasarani nĩ tũkuithĩtie mũtumia ũmwe na nĩ kwĩrĩgĩte kũra mwana ũtarĩoneka na thirikari no gũkirekirĩte. Thirikari ya Kirinyaga tũramũhoya mũgerie gwĩka kaũndũ kamwe ona ithuĩ tuone twe aikari a Thiba na aikari a Kirinyaga.
Nao aikari a itũra rĩa Kiambaa gũkũ nĩ kaunti ya Kiambu nĩ matũngĩtwo nĩ kĩmako na nĩ thutha wa mũtĩ wa mũgumo kũgwa na kũhinga barabara ya kuma Kanunga gũthiĩ kũrĩa mwena wa Banana. Mũtĩ ũyũ nĩ ũgwĩte kũrĩa ũragĩtuĩka atĩ nĩ ũrakorirwo ũkĩmomora na ũgĩthũkagia imwe cia nyũmba ona nginyagia waya cia thitima.
Atumia ito bayo
kwa Kimani wa kulia Mũnjirũ wa mbari yake hararika ni Mwangi wa jihadhari
Huu ni Mugumo, ni kanisa ya Mungu ya Mukikuyu, hapo ndio walikuwa naombea. Na wakati sasa wewe umekuja kutafuta kuni, haitakuwa mzuri. Msijaribu. Kuni hizi zitakatakatwa vizuri sana ili hata unaweza kubeba, lakini usije kubeba. Waacha sikae mahali zitawekwa zote mpaka siosee hapo. Kama hakuna mama hapo na miaka 80, 90 ama 90 asije. Wewe kama ni mdogo, tafuta njia zako za kutafuta kuni. Kama ulikuwa wako, ulikuwa na namna ulikuwa unatumia, tafuta njia hiyo, lakini ya Mugumo usijaribu kukaribia. Ninamuomba msikubali kuigusa. Uliosee hapo hata kama ni miaka ngapi.
Mimi naitwa Shamte Munywa. Mimi ndio chairman ama kinara wa kiama Kiambu County. Mugumo haikulalia chochote, haikuwa mtu, hata gari zinapita hapa, lakini gari zilikuwa zinapita. Kwa hivyo tunasema ni mapenzi ya Mwenyezi Mungu, tunamshukuru. Kwa hivyo yale tulikuwa tumeona ni ya kwamba jambo kama hili Mugumo ikianguka, wazee huwa wanakuja, wanaangalia ni kwa nini imeanguka, wanaomba, na watu walikuwa wanatupa taka, na hiyo ni jambo moja inaweza kuwa ndio ilifanyika. Ni kama vile hatuwezi kwenda kutupa takataka zetu kwa zile kanisa tuko nazo. Kwa hivyo pia sababu hii ni miti imepewa heshima kutoka wazazi na jamii zetu za zamani. Ambia jamii yetu, hizi kuni hata zikikauka haziwezi wekwa jikoni na mama ambaye hajatimisha umri.
Na ni kurari na kiha hindi ya igongona aria mathiko ma andu 7 a family imwe aria makuire kumana na mutino wa farafara na riratafanirio mwena wa Kuresoi guku ni mwena wa county ya Naikuru. 7 aya matugirwo ni mutino uyu muru wa farafara kuria mwena wa Salama farafara nene ya kuma mushimene wa Nairobi guthie kuria mwena wa Mombasa. Ni irongona ria gikinyitio ni atongoria ngurani akaunti no magicaka ya family ino na njira nene.
Tapestry of life, Esther Wanjiru Macharia, my cherished daughter, was a radiant thread, illuminating our existence with her grace, kindness and unwavering spirit. From her earliest days, she embodied resilience.
Pole sana kwa familia, sana. You know, it's really overwhelming. Unajua sometimes hata mkiwachwa, like I've lost my father, mkiwachwa na one family member, it's very difficult. Sasa najaribu kuimagine 7, I really cannot.
God, we honor you and we honor your life you have lived. We aspire to carry forward your legacy of making a positive impact on others through our own journey. Your love, your patience, your understanding, your sense of humor will live inside us forever.
We wish we had just one more chance to see your tender smile, to laugh with you again, our dear sisters and brothers, just for a little while. Gone too soon, but not forgotten.
Nayo bara ya dawa cia kurevya ni thiete na mbere kunyita thinga na kunyitirwo ni aikari ya Kitengela kurumirira na kuhaisha kwa uhuthiri wa dawa cia kurevya kurigana na komando wa borithi wa ceceni ya borithi ya gukumwena wa Kitengela David Oleshani inogete ate kurumirira mugururio wao ni mahotete kuikia ngono dia afagi na Johithumu kuma mwena uyo.
Ninaona hii shughuli inaendelea vizuri sana. Na tunaomba hivyo serikali imechukua hiyo mwelekeo iendelee isikome, kwa sababu hii pombe imemaliza watu wengi, imemaliza familia na hata miili ya watu, vijana hawaoi. Yani imemaliza mpaka watu hawakai na pesa kwa mfuko, ni hizi mapo na hizi miadarati. Kwa hivyo nilikuwa naomba serikali iendelee hivyo hata kesho warauke. Sawa?
Sasa pombe hapa ni mingi. Hata wamama huku wanalewa kila saa. Hata hakuna kazi inafanyagwa hapa.
Ungeomba aje?
watusaidie, watu wafanye kazi. Unaona sasa hao mmebeba. Hatusemi wasikunywe, lakini wakunywe masaa ile ya after job 5. Hapa hata ukuje uchukue kijana atimfanye kakazi huku, atakuja kuanguka kwa gorofa. Juu alikunywa saa moja. Sisi hatukatai wakunywe alafu after job 5. Lakini
hii mtaa yetu pombe ni mingi, mjaribu tupunguziwe pombe hii mtaa. Kwa sababu ndio tunalelea watoto na tunaishi hii mtaa. Hata sasa ni mchana pombe inakunywa. Hata mtu hawezi enda kazi akunywe. Hiyo ndio kitu tunafaa tunaomba serikali watupunguzie pombe. Kwa sababu tunalelea watoto kwa hii mtaa.
na kiama kia arutani KNUT matogeretire munini wa mwikirigite Malel Legat ni mahitoketi ati mathukuru mari kaunti-ini cia Samburu, Baringo, West Pokot, Elgeyo Marakwet oro hamwe na Narok ni shukurire kirekete kuhingo kuromerera uhaguku wa ugitiri. Malel nagwete ni undu wake hamuno kuona arutafataire gukorwo makihareria kigero-ini gia kimabũrũri no matiri na mwĩhoko kuona ati mathukuru ni mahingĩtwo mwena ucio ho mũnumorete minister wa ugitiri wa thĩinĩ Professor Kithure Kindiki gukorwo agĩtũma maabitha a borithi harĩ icigo itiganĩte nĩguo gũcokereria thayũ na mathomo mahote gũcokereria mĩena itiganĩte.
So you can meet at the street. So we are very busy scheduled to grace the closing ceremony of BC training Narok branch. I don't want to preempt what you have in mind. I know when you stand up to speak, you will be congratulating us. Because whether in the whole region, I don't know whether region or republic, you will tell us there because that is your prerogative. So, but a national chair, we have been here for 2 days to induct these people, to impart them with more skills, more knowledge, better attitudes on how to handle our members.
Anything that will disadvantage the teachers of Kenya, we shall not be part of it. We shall not be party of anything that will bring down the name of a teacher or that will discredit or disadvantage the Kenya teacher. As has been said by the national chairman, we've got some zones in Rift Valley that are war-torn zones. These zones have been ably mentioned by the national chairman. We want to call upon the government to come in and ensure that those places become safe for both learners and also the teachers of Kenya. They should be safe for learning to continue.
We are concerned about the insecurity in our region, and as the government is planning things for our schools, and in particular opening of schools before May, they should ensure that there is security in all our schools, and in particular in Samburu, West Pokot, Baringo, Elgeyo Marakwet, and some sections of Narok County.
Na hau niho tũgũkorwo tũkĩoya kamweke ga gwĩkiria ndũgathiĩ haraya tũracokereria na mangĩ maingĩ. Kihoto kiunaga utamugete na kuona kihoto watho nĩ ũbataranagia.
Watho ũkoragwo wa gũteithia mĩtugo na mĩkĩre ya maũndũ harĩ andũ othe.
Na watho ugĩte nĩ 3 months with full pay.
Ndwagĩrĩirwo gũtwarwo police station kana gũtwarwo criminal court nĩ ũndũ wa defamation.
Na nĩkĩo nĩ nawe tũbatiĩ kũmenya ũrĩa mũndũ angĩetha kĩhoto gĩake.
Mwana ena right yake na mwana we nĩ innocent.
Kĩhoto irĩkoragwo na mũthuri na mũtumia to kũgayana indo equally.
Watho nĩ wĩtĩkĩrĩtie ciana icio ũtigĩrwo.
Nyitana naniĩ Wairimu wa Kimani gũkũ kwa Muthingi TV o wakana thaa 2 cia hwaĩ-inĩ tuthome na tuhiganie ciĩgiĩ watho amu gũkũ nĩkuo kĩhumo kĩa gũtherema.
Rĩrĩa tũratũra mũtũrĩre-inĩ ũyũ nĩ tũcemanagia na maũndũ matiganĩte, mamwe magatiga ironda nene ngoro-inĩ citũ na mamwe magatuĩka rũgano rwa gũtũra rũheanagwo.
Ndiranengeria mwana wakwa iria, mwana ndarĩ na outlet, ndayambirie kũimba. Mwana akĩambia kũrutĩra kĩoro kanua na maniũrũ.
Wathi kĩrabu no nginya ũrĩka ũrĩa andũ a kĩrabu mekaga, no wĩkore magerio-inĩ haraka mũno.
Konge nĩ arata matwĩkirie, konge nĩ endwa aitũ, amwe makĩmenyaga arĩa angĩ matekũmenya.
Kĩrĩndĩ magucagia bangi magoka makanjoherera mũtĩ-inĩ, makahũra ngundi ta bag kamakangia boxi.
Weka atĩa?
Sasa sijui niĩ ndiũĩ tu nohererwo harĩ na mũtĩ hau, lakini sasa at the end of the day ndũrĩ na handũ ha kũrĩra.
Na nĩkĩo niĩ Teri wa Mwangi njĩnyitĩtie mũthiori gwethana na andũ mena rũgano rwa mwanya, tũgakorwo tũgĩikara thĩ nao magakorwo magĩtũhe marĩa manatũngana namo. Nĩ o mũthenya wa Juma thaa 2 cia hwaĩ-inĩ thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya rũgano rwakwa gũkũ kwa Muthingi TV.
Tũgĩcokereria oro rĩngĩ na rĩu tũgĩthiĩ na mbere nĩ atĩ kĩama kĩa arutani anene Teachers Association kuma kũrĩa rũgongo rwa bũrũri-inĩ maikĩrĩte na kũrĩ thirikari nene harĩ kuongerera arutani mwena ũcio. Mũikarĩri gĩtĩ Hassan Farah nĩaugĩte atĩ thukuru iria itwarĩrĩgio na mbere nĩ mũrutani mũnene oro hamwe na arutani arĩa mandĩkĩtwo nĩ kĩama kĩa board nĩ ikoretwo ikĩhinyĩrĩrio kuona atĩ kũrĩ na mathenya matiganĩte ma thutha wa arimũ kana arutani gũkorwo magĩtiga wĩra rĩu makĩenda kuongererwo arutani cukuru-inĩ itiganĩte.
Kuna ukosefu wa hawa walimu ambao tunawaita wa JSS. Tunakuta kwamba mwalimu ametumwa katika shule yako na ukiangalia cheti chake na somo alilosomea ni somo ambalo haliandani. Kwa hivyo inatubidi sisi pia kwanza kuwa na tatizo kuweza kumuelekeza yule mwalimu. Kwa hivyo tungeomba pia wizara inayohusika ihakikishe kwamba katika mtaala ambao walimu wanaohitimu wahitimu kwamba tusaidia si walimu ambao pia itakuwa ni mzigo kwetu.
Is the issue of staffing, and that's what we want the government to address. You realize that there are some schools that have only one teacher, a head teacher only, with about 8 classrooms. It's a big challenge actually, and we want the government actually to address issue of understaffing.
Tutambuliwa katika kongamano kubwa. Unakuta kwamba katika maslahi ya walimu unakuta NAT na KUPPET ndio wanaotambuliwa, na sisi ambao ndiye wenye kuvaa viatu ambao tunahusiana na walimu wakuu hatuhusishwi katika mambo ya mishahara, katika mambo ya ajira hatuhusishwi, na tumedhalilishwa kwamba hata hapa mashinani hatutambuliwi kunapokuwa mwalimu ana shida fulani ya kikazi.
There are also challenges of CBC. inadequate classrooms is an issue, and we need also that thing to be addressed, issue of a lack of or inadequate classrooms. There are subject clusters in junior secondary school. You realize that a teacher specializes in only 2 subjects, posted to primary school, posted to junior secondary school, and teaching all the subjects. So we need the government actually to address the issue of subject combinations and employ enough teachers in the junior secondary school section.
Anasho thirikari cia kaunti ya Kuremona wa Meru na Isiolo nireketie kwambika mitaratara meru oro hamwe na mitaratara ya gukoro ikinyitaniria na uthomithania wa urimi wa mahio kuri aikari amwe na ucio niguo kugacirithia urimi kuri kaunti ici cieri ni gogona ria mwanya kuri arimi a mahio oro hamwe na arimi a mimera aria mauma na ihinda ria kuonania taranda ciao cia urimi na njira itiganite cia kuramata urimi wao niguo kuongerera maciaro kwa maita igana kwa igana.
My name is Mansour Kome Shaban. I come from the county government of Isiolo, Department of Trade, Investment, Industry and Cooperative Development. Today we are here at the Ruire Agri-Business Expo, whereby with partnership from Greek, a European Union sponsored project in Isiolo, we have brought some farmers, cooperators and entrepreneurs who are mostly women to come and showcase. They will come to Meru and see how other cooperatives are doing, how other farmers are doing, and they will take a lot of expertise and knowledge to them with them to Isiolo.
Na shughuli ya leo ilikuwa ni kukuja kujumuika na wakulima wenzetu, kushare ideas sana sana kuhusu value addition ya vitu ambavyo kwa kitamaduni tulizoea ni vya wazee, lakini hivi sasa vimekuwa vya maana sana kwa mwili na pia kupunguza ugonjwa na pia kumanage lifestyle diseases. Ndio maana tumekuwa tunaambia wakulima value addition is the way to go. So sisi tuko value addition champions na tumekuwa tunaongea na wakulima wenzetu kuwaelimisha, kuwaeleza ya kuwa value addition inafaidisha mkulima mara 2 ama mara 3 zaidi, kwa sababu ukiangalia kwa unga zetu unakuta kuna unga wa malenge. Malenge ikiuzwa na kilo utakuta ina fetch mkulima shilingi 50 to 100, lakini the same product ikiongezwa value, ikikaushwa kwa usafi na ipate kushiagwa, the same kg itakuja kuuzwa na 400. Na hiyo ndio njia ya mkulima kufaidika katika dunia ya sasa sana sana, kwa sababu value addition ndio ambayo inakuja pia kuondoa ile wastage for post harvest losses, kwa sababu malenge pia iko na muda wake. Ukikata ile inabaki, iko na uwezekano mkubwa sana wa kuharibika nyuma ya siku moja ama hata nusu siku, lakini ikikaushwa, ikisiagwa, inaweza tumika katika manufaa mengi.
Nake mutumia wa munini wa president Pastor Dorcas Rigathi na thigatete atongoria akidini gwakiriria hari ihoto cia mwana wa kahe areta njira ya kumuteithia hari kuhurana na mathina make muturire. Pastor Dorcas Rigathi noranetie gucakaya gutiganirwo kwa mwana wa kahe undu uria umucungireire wikiniriria na ciiko itari njega ta uhuthiri wa dawa cia kurevya.
Thank you for your welcome, and it is my hope we shall have a successful medical camp and the outcome will go a long way in transforming your lives. We have in different gathering highlighted the plight of the boy child whom for a long time has been on the brutal receiving end. For the longest, the boy has been alone, We have watched the boy child get lost, done nothing about it. It is time to restore the dignity of the boy child. If we have to do this, and we need to have a strong girl, we also need to have a strong boy. And this can never happen if our boys are not sober. Ninasema kwa muda mrefu tumeachilia mtoto wa mvulana, hakuna mtu ako na haja na yeye. Kila siku unamuona akibeba makaratasi na magunia na maplastic, wengine wamejipaka lami, lakini ndani ya hao ndio wamebeba begu, na ni lazima tuangalie na tuwatunze. Na ningetaka siku moja nikuje hapa Kakamega na Western nisikie hakuna teenage pregnancy. Pia nikuje nisikie all the young men wako kazi na pia wameacha pombe na hii stoni yote imeisha.
Hapa Kakamega tuna shida mbalimbali. Tuko na shida ya drug addiction, tuko na alcoholism, tuko na SGBV, tuko na HIV and AIDS, and tuko na teen pregnancy. Nakushukuru and we appreciate what you are doing for Kakamega and for the whole nation.
na karonurera mbura nene iragithi na mbere gukorwo ikiura ituritiganite cia bururi aikari a itura ria Got Agulu gicigo-ini kia mbunge kia Bondo matigitwo magitara magikara nduma-ini thutha wa waya cia thitima gukorwo igithukagio ni mbura nene. Aikari aya makiria ma 5,000 riu nimorete thirikari ya kaunti gukorwo magika mituki guthondeka ikingi kuona ni marathi na mbere gutara hathara hari mawira mao maria makoragwo makihuthira thitima oro muthenya.
A big issue here is we have been in darkness for the last 3 weeks without power, and this is a big problem. The reason for this being that some of the poles fell into the lake and they've been there. Kenya Power people have not been doing anything about it, and therefore, again on the same island we have a sub-county health facility plus a mortuary within, and for that period of 3 weeks people inside the morgue but without power, which is a big problem. And also a number of institutions that are also found within this particular area. So absence of power within Got Agulu is our main problem, and we are appealing to the government, Kenya Power, and all other authorities that are there to help us in ensuring that the poles are moved from the lake to the other stable area that the Kenya National Highway Authority had planned to start their work. We have not had electricity for the past 2.5 weeks. We have very many institutions in the island. We have the bakery, has employed over 200 people working there. We have Got Agulu sub-county hospitals, residents in the whole of West Wards coming for checkups. They have not had electricity for the past 2 weeks. So then we also have the girls, lower girls, we have the boys there. We have now our prayer is we wish Kenya Power to at least move the poles toward the swamp area so that we can temporarily have the power lines fixed.
Affected by the felling of the poles. I have a sick mother-in-law, and there are several old people within the village who suffer because their medical supplies are mainly refrigerated. So, and we have very many students. Currently they are on holiday. They cannot study. It means that many youth will be roaming around not doing much. It would be best that the Kenya Power and the Kenya Roads Authority layers so that we have the power back.
Riboti iyo niyo egukoro igitwikira gaturumo gikoje gitokia mohoro muthenya wa mothe gucokeria ngatho ni wegwitikira gutwanithe kumurira tukuru tukembirire gikujiro giki gito kia mohoro njokeria ngatho aria tukiri na guku muna wa studio aria magitigira ati mohoro maya maitu ni makoro magigukinyira na njira iria ifashirikite mambiriria ni andiki aitu othe mohoro Mwangi wa Murugini we uma producer wako Tael ni uma director wako Aizoni wa kuma kuria mwena wa graphics Magi no kimuko mwena wa kamera ni higo ciothe jetikaga wairimu wa Kimani na mudure wa gitigira ati mohoro ma maito kana gikujiro ikiniga gukinyira ne denishito ciothe cia ukinyanira ni mundu ogwitwo nyaguthie nginyagia mathaa ma hwaini maria tugukorwo tugitungania urorenge yenge kwendithiria ni araho mega